Sejal and look who I have today.
Hey guys, it's Komal.
So we have done this style swap video about 9 months back.
It was an insane hit, I think. People loved it.
So did I, because I ended up looking very different, which I was very pumped about.
You looked extremely nice. Like,
Thanks. So we are actually filming in the YouTube pop-up space in Delhi, which is basically like a nice studio space, and we wanted to do a video together and we didn't have any good idea, so I thought style swap part 2, yay! No, but it'll be a fun one because we'll make a version.
Festive edition.
So let's begin. If you guys enjoy, make sure you hit subscribe, like, and yeah, let's get started. So we're gonna give each other a makeover. We're gonna do each other's makeup, little bit of hair, and the outfit. So during the makeup part, so that we don't get bored and bore you guys, we're gonna answer a few questions that you guys sent us. So Instagram पे post करते हैं एक. Alright. These days I'm into this very like मैंने
Full rimmed eyes, yeah.
मैंने आज भी किया हुआ है.
Looks nice.
With Indian मुझे काफी सही लगता है. Saw my mom doing it and like Deepika Padukone.
Everyone knows how much I hate kajal, but I'm gonna do this for you. Let's try this out.
Wow,
Actually.
thank you for
Let's
the
try this
sacrifice.
out.
तूने already base किया हुआ है, तो मेरे को
हाँ.
थोड़ा सा blush और डालना है तेरे ऊपर.
I love Sejal's makeup techniques. इतना cute है ना? What would you guys be doing if not YouTube, Sejal?
Probably like something in the creative field, maybe like advertising or like something in media, probably.
If not YouTube, I would still be doing videos because when I was not doing YouTube, I was doing videos.
I'm
Next.
gonna do eyeshadow. This is the Urban Decay.
Wow,
Make it only
so fancy.
ये 6000 का palette है. The day I bought it, I wanted to kill myself because it was so
Okay.
expensive.
Who prefers makeup more? Please mention my name. Hi, Hilmi. Obviously, I prefer makeup more. Sejal is more like a very embracing the natural in
Yeah.
herself all the time.
I'm gonna do nothing else. I'm just gonna put kajal now.
Okay, so the next question is 2 good things and 2 bad things about each other.
Okay.
Let's do good first.
Okay, so good thing about Komal is that, okay, so there, I'll say 2 actually. I really like her dressing sense. I like that she like makes an effort to be dressed up all the time. Like I've seen her in her night clothes also, and she still looks like she's going for a fashion show. And second thing, you're very talented with like video production and all. Yeah, that's 2
That's
things.
really neat. Okay, my turn. Okay, so yeah, 2 good things about Sejal. Number 1 is that she's extremely hardworking. She's so hardworking that she makes me nervous.
What are you saying?
Yeah, like
That's-
you're really, really hardworking. So she never stops, which is really, really good. Which, by the way, is also a bad thing that she never disconnects, and I think she needs to work on that.
Yeah, I need to work on that.
Yeah. The second good thing has to be that she's really talented. I think she. तुझे सब कुछ आता है.
Okay, let me finish this. So I'm just taking black eyeshadow, smudging the shit out of that black eyeliner. Okay, and for your lipstick, I like what you're wearing.
My turn.
Yeah.
Great, awesome. So I'm going to do her eyes right now. I'm going to put this shade called Lethal on her crease line first.
Alright, so the question that I have is, how do you manage to stay friends in a competitive field?
That's a very good question actually.
मेरे हिसाब से बहुत tough है. Yeah, of course. Like you have to be in a certain like you have to be extremely secure.
Okay, so I'll be very, very honest. I'm not friends with anyone else. And I would like to have that one friend at least in the same industry because it feels nice when you share that connection with someone. I know it gets competitive, but I know she is the one who will understand and not my best friends. My best friends might not understand at some point, but
Yeah,
I
like
know,
some things you can't discuss.
yeah, like some things you can't discuss. So I know like I can call her up at 2 a.m. Okay, so I'm done with her crease. I hope it looks fine. मेरे को पता है थोड़ा तो कुछ हुआ है गलत सलत, but ठीक है, whatever guys. Oh, there's this shade called Blow. I'm gonna use this on her eyelid with my ring finger. एक तो मेरे nails बड़े हैं तो I'm just trying
Yes,
to
please
like
don't poke my eye
not
out.
poke your like eyeballs. Oh, looks really cool to me. Nice. Okay, great. So we're done with the eyes.
Oh, okay. This is a fun question. Soumya says, if you could steal one thing from each other, what would it be?
I'll steal her house. क्या घर है इसका?
Oh my god.
I'll steal your house.
Mom.
That's what I'll steal.
Please save me.
Yes. Sorry, auntie, but I'll steal her house. Guys, I'm gonna put matte me on Sejal's lips. It's called Passionate Red.
Okay, so Jubi Gupta asked, did you always want to be famous?
No. Like, okay, so
I don't believe that.
No, I swear.
Answer honestly.
I'm being very honest, I swear, because, like, okay, for a very, very long time in my life, I always thought very low of myself. So, because I always underestimated myself, my desires were also very mellow. I would never, like, I would think about, you know, probably just going out and getting, like, burgers. Like, that would be my biggest desires at that point. I'm never, like, getting famous. But yes, I want to become famous when I started vlogging. That's when I knew I can become famous.
अब सच बोल गए.
Yeah. But उससे पहले कभी नहीं. What about you? You always knew you were going to be famous?
No. Like, for
No,
me...
no.
That's not what I
अभी
mean.
हुआ.
No. For me, like, I just wanted everyone to know what I did and respect me for it, okay?
Yeah.
Like, when I started my YouTube channel in college, like, Yadu who's filming will say yes to that. Everyone thought I was a freak, and I never liked that, you know? I just wanted everyone to know what I did and respect me for it. So, if that means wanting to be famous, then yeah, but more like, you know, that you're not a freak, but you're cool.
So it was, yeah, I get it.
Alright, so done with makeup and what I think with your hair, I'm okay with you leaving it down or just putting it in a ponytail, juda kind of thing.
Whatever you want.
Very messy, which is my style because I can't do hair.
For your hair, I think I'm going to open it, give you a mid partition because that's my signature. I'm going to do that. You'd look really
look like
nice.
a champu यार mid
No,
partition में.
stop,
वो
no.
जो class के साथ मैम वाले बच्चे होते हैं ना. Sorry, no offense to मैम वाले बच्चे. But yeah.
Just this once for me.
Okay, fine. Alright.
If it doesn't look good, we'll like redo it. We'll give you like a side part.
That's fine. Okay, and for
Okay.
clothes, you are gonna wear a sari.
Woohoo!
Lady, this is a beautiful sari.
Oh my god, I actually really like the color.
Yeah, and you're
So
gonna wear
pretty.
it with the full sleeves, black blouse. I know you like to wear very sexy, tiny blouses,
Yeah.
but this is different and with these earrings.
This is very you. Love it. Very fab India. Love it.
Yeah, very piku.
Yeah. So for Sejal, I got her this really nice, it's like a salmon pink dress kurta.
Salmon, like what is this color?
It's like a really nice salmon pink kurta dress with this really nice parrot green shrug on top of it. So I think both the colors would look really nice together. And along with that, I'm going to give her all my neck pieces.
Yeah, that's nice. Let's do it.
Let's go. Oh wow, you're twirling. क्या लग रही है?
तू क्या लग रही है?
तू क्या लग रही है?
नहीं तू क्या लग रही है?
क्या लग रही है? I love wearing saris, but I never wear like saris of this material. It's like not really my thing. But surprisingly, I really like it. I think it looks very elegant, and not sexy. And I'm liking the whole elegant, graceful, demure vibe. Like
इसमें तो I feel like myself only.
Yeah.
I feel like हम एक दूसरे के जैसे ही लग रहे हैं.
I know,
themselves.
Correct. Yeah,
And
correct.
yeah, pretty happy with this. Thanks for picking this. But the only thing, Komal is much thinner than I am. मुझे सांस नहीं आ रही है अभी, but it's cool. Thanks a lot, Komal, for being in this video.
Thank you so much for styling me in this lovely sari. I'm not giving this back to you, just by the way.
And thanks a lot. This is very cool. I really like it. So if you guys enjoyed, do subscribe. Leave a comment below about if you want to see us in a video together later on or like what you would like us to do. And I'll see you soon. Bye.
Bye.